Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I am Lavyash of class 3rd. My model name is Respiratory System. In this model, we have shown how respiratory system works. The respiratory system is made up of nose, windpipe, and lungs. Windpipe carry air from the nasal cavity to the lungs. Lungs are located inside the ribcage. The process of inhalation and exhalation is known as breathing. Breathing in is called inhalation, and in inhalation our chest expands and breathing out is called exhalation. During exhalation our chest contracts. Thank you.